If you're using Salesforce Lightning and you've ever wished you could see your data your way, this tutorial is going to be a game changer. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a brand new list view in Salesforce Lightning. Perfect for tailoring what you see and how you work. Let's get started. First, head over to the app launcher in the Salesforce Lightning interface. This is your hub for accessing all objects, accounts, opportunities, leads, anything you work with regularly. Search for and open the object where you want your list view to live. Once you're on that object's list page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. From the drop-down that appears, choose New. That's what kicks off the setup. Now it's time to name your list view. Pick something that clearly reflects what you're creating. For example, if you want a view for your top clients, you might name it High Value Accounts. You'll notice the API name fills in automatically, and unless you're following a strict naming system, it's fine to leave it as is. Next, you'll choose who gets to see this view. You can keep it private just for yourself, make it visible to everyone in your org, or if sharing rules are enabled, open it up to specific groups. Once you've decided, hit Save to lock in those initial settings. Now let's make the view actually useful. Click the filter icon. It looks like a little funnel. This opens the filter panel where you can set conditions to fine-tune your data. For instance, maybe you only want accounts with annual revenue over 1 million. Add the condition, click Done, and repeat with as many filters as you need. When you're happy with the criteria, remember to save so nothing gets lost. To take it one step further, click the gear icon again and select Select Fields to display. This lets you choose exactly which columns appear in your list view. Add what matters, remove what doesn't. Once the layout looks right, hit Save one more time to finalize everything. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've built a customized list view in Salesforce Lightning that puts the right data front and center. If you found this helpful and want more Salesforce tips, stick around. There's plenty more on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.